Number 5, Nicolas. Number 6, Jeter. Okay.
Sige, larga.
Kanya si Mukashishiter Kwan, 1 minute. Dayon, paila sa halan. Dayon, balik dire. Number 2 na po. Ha? Di, ito nga. Silang. If you look inside for one, don't be afraid. Here's an answer. If you insist in your soul, and the soul that you know will not sway. And the feeling comes along. Yeah, I'm thinking of the Latin America. Thank you, listen. And the best woman too. Come strong, finally secure. The feelings you. Contestant number 3. Tayo samay. Ayaw kay gaya mo, hindi na pulis ka rin mo. Okay, first man.
I'm Vanessa. From the Philippines.
Okay, let's go! Contestant number 10. In the hill comes along, and spends very old, and I'll be alone. Leslie, good afternoon. Thank you. Sige, candidate number 4. Wala pa kayo mga moto, kami naman sa sarili nyo. Wala pa kayo. Contestant number 7. Wala ka kayong moto? Hello, I'm Lovely, representing Banyay. Thank you. Take it to number 5. Our contestant number 6.
Hi, hello. I'm Chipa Ping from Carnival.
Thank you! Thank you! Congratulations! Thanks! Mga tayo naman dyan. In the front, open the gates. Pastor, number 6. Then Christian na question ka. Pastor, open na sa criteria. Come on. Here it comes. Okay. Okay. Thank you, lovely ladies. You're so beautiful tonight. Like me. Operator. Okay. Good afternoon to all our candidates. Okay. So, let's start. Candidate number 1. Candidate number 1. Please come in front. Here in front, candidate number 1. What's your name, candidate number 1?
Candian.
Mamoy, gahin tayo!
Apuna.
Mag-iigan kayo nagaan.
Mamoy, pahumot ka mamoy!
So, marga kay mga family nga naglantaw karon, na kay ka-istorya nila, kay Christmas man karon.
Merry Christmas to all my family. And all of the audience are laughing and laughing.
Okay, I guess you're too tense this afternoon, contestant number 1. Okay, I will give you the question. This question is the same with the candidates, no? Okay, the question will go this.
Bukon man yung contestant!
Okay, I will repeat it twice. I will speak the questions twice, no? So, you may answer this in our own dialect. You will die tomorrow. Why not today? I will give you 10 seconds to think before I will give you your time to answer.
Pirang yan ako.
Okay? I will give you the microphone. Contestant number 1.
Pira. Die hard, die poor, and die. Nasilo sila.
Is that all, contestant number 1? My question is, if you will die tomorrow, why not today?
Ayun ang puwan.
Why?
Why? We enjoy and after and tomorrow and tomorrow.
Okay, thank you, contestant number 1. And I'm glad to call you from here, contestant number 2. Music. Good afternoon, contestant number 2. What's your name?
My name is Nesty.
Nesty, how you feel this afternoon?
I feel fine. Very happy because my name is asked for me for more than 3 times already.
Thank you. Today is part of our Christmas celebration. How would you greet people there? Huh? Looking at you.
I look at you as you look at me. And you're smiling.
Thank you, contestant number 2. Here's your question. I will read this twice. If you will die tomorrow, why not today? I repeat. If you will die tomorrow, why not today?
It's not today, it's always tomorrow. This is ask again with the question. I will say to you again, the answer tomorrow. And tomorrow will never end.
That's all? Contestant number 2?
That's all I want from you.
Thank you! Thank you! Wala ba kayong mga yes captain? Contestant number 2! Contestant number 3, what's your name?
Vanessa.
Hi Vanessa! Would you like to greet the people looking at you here?
Yes! Merry Christmas to all.
That's it? That's all?
That's all.
Would you like to greet your loving wife there?
Oh, wow.
Message to your wife?
Mamaya.
Okay, mamaya na lang ang message niya. To your son, what's your message for this Christmas?
Merry Christmas to my son.
Okay, thank you, contestant number 3. Here's your question. I will repeat this twice. If you will die tomorrow, why not today? Again, if you will die tomorrow, why not today?
Yes. Not to die. Very happy.
That's all?
Yes.
So you mean you are not going to die tomorrow? Today? I'm confused. That's all your answer. Thank you. I'm confused. Thank you. Okay. Contestant number 4. Contestant number 4. Here. Okay. Leslie. Di pa po. Leslie, di pa po. Wala lagi ka nagtuwag. Nagtuwag. Ay. Okay.
Wala, battery na
your audience here.
Good afternoon to you all. Merry Christmas.
That's all?
Wala namin na ano ba tatian?
Contestant number 4.
Oh, wala
This is
battery
your
low na.
question. I repeat twice. If you will die tomorrow, why not today? Okay? If you will die tomorrow, why not today?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
What to do?
Because only God knows everything.
So, are you ready to answer the question? I will give you your floor.
Only God knows everything. So if you want to get it today, okay. But if tomorrow I have a chance to become a woman, a perfect woman,
Thank you, contestant number 4. Let's give him a round of applause. Wow, very sexy music. Good afternoon, contestant number 5. What's your name?
Hello, good afternoon, everybody. I'm lovely Venus Tura.
Wow! Lovely! Lovely name. Okay. Sa lahat ng tao dito, sino ang gusto mo i-dedicate?
I would like to dedicate this contest to LL.
Hello, where's LL? LL! Where's LL here? Where's LL here? LL, He's shy?
I'm not shy.
Okay. Wala kang si LL. He's afraid with you.
It's okay, it's okay.
Okay. Current Christmas man kayo.
Very Merry Christmas and a very prosperous New Year 2011.
Okay, Merry Christmas Canada! It's clear, favorite contestant number 5. Kita gigit kita tanan sa ato ang family affair. Okay? Contestant number 5, here's your question. If you will die tomorrow, why not today? I repeat, if you will die tomorrow, why not today?
Not today, because I would like to do everything we can enjoy today before I die tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, it's clear! Di ba siya ganahan mamatay? Tingnan wala pa na-accomplish ang mga mission. Na? Kinsa na pa na ganahan mamatay? Ang tagkaroon wala pa magtanamit atong mga mission sa atong family, sa atong mga friend, sa atong mga loved ones. No? Thank you, contestant number 5! Winner! Our last contestant, I guess, this is our youngest contestant, this family affair. Yeah, I think we can see it. This contestant finished with you talk. Well, next, but the thing you will, Okay. Please respect contestant number 6. No? Contestant number 6, what's your name?
I'm Jipapi.
Come again?
I'm Jipapi
Kita!
from Kapulungan.
Jipapi? Come from? What?
Kanipaan.
Kanipaan. Okay. Well, will you please dedicate greet our audience here, our family, for this Christmas? Some message?
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
That's all?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I think you know our question, no? But I still say, I repeat, if you die tomorrow, why not today?
If I die tomorrow, why not today? Because today is party.
Today is party! That's the answer of contestant number 6. That's all? Contestant number 6? Okay. Let's end thank you for your support for our patrons. I hope that this will continue for the next year's family day. Huh? Right. Price is good price. First price, 200 pesos. Second price, 150 pesos. And third price is 100 pesos. For the consolation price of 50 pesos.